talk about women's safety in India, one question always comes up. Which city is the most unsafe for women? Sadly, the answer has stayed the same for years now. According to the latest NCRB data, Delhi continues to top the list as the most unsafe city for women in India. Yes, the national capital, a place with the highest security presence, VIP movement, and all kinds of resources, yet women here face the most number of crimes. Be it molestation, rape, stalking, or harassment, the numbers in Delhi are alarming. In the most recent report, over 13,000 cases of crimes against women were recorded in Delhi alone, which is more than cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, or Hyderabad. One shocking part is that many of these incidents happen in broad daylight and in public areas. It's not just about numbers, it's about the constant fear that women feel when they step out, even for basic things like going to college, work, or shopping. Mumbai is considered relatively safer when compared to other metro cities, but that doesn't mean everything is perfect. Cases of harassment in local trains, workplaces, and even cyberbullying are rising. Cities like Bangalore or Hyderabad have also reported increases in crimes, especially related to domestic violence and online threats. But Delhi, unfortunately, still ranks the highest in terms of overall danger for women. The bigger issue is not just law and order, but mindset. Until the attitude towards women changes at the ground level, safety will continue to remain a major challenge. As strong laws exist, fast-track courts have been set up, but unless fear of punishment is real and instant, many offenders continue without worry. Every time a report like this comes out, it forces us to ask, are our cities truly safe for women? And if the answer is no, what are we doing about it? Women deserve freedom without fear, and it's high time India lives up to that promise.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.